Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is 1. In today's video, we will see a question on circular measure, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics P1. I have taken this question from November 21, variant 13, question 5. For the rest of my videos, you can see my blog address or my website address. So let's start. First of all, you need to know what is the requirement of the syllabus. So in circular measure, you need to have these concepts, right? You need to understand what is radian, what is the relationship between radian and degree. You know, these are the units for measuring rotation. And what is the formula for arc length, for area of a sector, and area of a triangle. So in this question, which I have picked up, we will make use of everything. Only the relation we are not showing, but the rest of the thing is here. And I hope you know the relation between radian and degree. Pi radian is equals to 180 degree. This is the basic relation with the help of which we solve the questions. So let's see this question. At a glance, it looks difficult. Before seeing the question, you need to understand the diagram. So basically, at a glance, it seems we know this length, AY, we know XB, and we will see the question, which is the sector, which is the quadrant. So let's read the question. So X and Y are the points on the line AB. We can see that X and Y are the points here. And the lengths which are written here are mentioned in the question here. Part of a circle with center X. Now, this is important information. This is a center of the circle with radius 9. It means if this is the center of the circle and this is your radius, it means this is also your radius because this is your quadrant. If you look at this X, B, C, part of a circle, BC is a part of the circle. The question is saying BC is part of a circle with center C. It means this is forming a quadrant. Okay, so it's not written here, but this is your 9 centimeter because of the quadrant radius, where CX is the perpendicular to AB. Okay, and it is mentioned here also with the symbol. Arc AC is a part of a circle with center Y. Now this arc AC is a part of the circle with center Y. So basically we are talking about here two circles, one with center X and the other with center Y. So this is a very important information. Now let's see what is question asking. First part of the question is saying show X, Y, C. What is that? X, Y, C. So this angle he's talking about is 0.9582. This is what you have to prove. Now what comes in your mind straight away? I'm giving you a few seconds to think about how will you find out this angle with this information given to you. I have already explained to you, this is 9. It's not written here, but because this is the center of the circle with arc BC, it means this is a radius. So this is 9. And what else you know here? This is also, this is the important thing, because for this arc length, this one, for this arc length, just a minute, let me take other pen. Okay, so AY is your radius and YC is also your radius. So it's not written here, but this is 11 and this is 9. So I hope you understand. And now you will simply apply the rule of SOHCAHTOA and find out angle Y. So if you look at this diagram, you can easily find out XYC angle. I have given it a name, theta. So we have proven that it is 0.9582. Now we have to find out the perimeter of ABC. Now ABC I have highlighted here. AB is this line and ABC, this whole thing. So you have to find out the perimeter. It means you need to know this length AB, you need to know this arc length, and you need to know this arc length. So how will you find this out? Finding out arc length is not difficult because we know radius, we know angle, right? We will see that on the next page. Point is how to find out this length, because I know BX is 9, but I don't know AX. So what comes in your mind? How can you find out AX? Now, if you see in this triangle, which you have just seen in the previous diagram, you can easily find out xy with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So if you know xy from 11 centimeter, you can minus xy to get ax. So this is what we will do here. Okay. So first of all, we will find out xy. When we will get xy, from 11, we will minus this to get ax. So this is a simple calculation I'm doing, Pythagoras theorem, and then subtraction. So I got 4.675. So now you know this length ax is 4.675. This is 9. So now you know this whole length. Now we will try to find out this arc length and this arc length. See here in this case. For this arc length, this is your sector, right? And you have found this angle 0.9582 in the previous part A. So arc length formula, we know S is equals to R theta. R we know is 11. Theta is 0.9582. So your arc length is coming 10.5402. Now we have to find out this arc length. This we have already discussed. It's a quarter of a circle. So circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r divided by 4 will give you this arc length. So let's see here. Two pi r is your sector, dividing it by 4 because it is a quadrant. And in this part, for this circle, the radius is 9. So simply substitute the values and get it. So now we will add up all these values, ax, xb, this arc length, and this arc length. So now we are just adding them up to find out the perimeter. So answer is 38.35. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and press like and subscribe button. You will get my new videos immediately. Thanks once again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.